Introducing the Onida T65CBR top load washing machine, where powerful performance meets convenience. Packed with nifty wash features, this Onida washer ensures thorough cleaning with 10 wash programs. The air dryer not only removes excess water but also most of the moisture without harming the fabric. Onida's top-load washing machine is designed to last for years with its anti-rust fiber body. Enjoy a 5-year warranty, including 2 years comprehensive and an additional 3 years on the wash motor. Featuring a stainless steel drum, auto start, quick wash and a child lock function for added safety. The magic filter ensures better collection of lint and dirt, leaving your clothes lint-free. The ecological function reduces water consumption and optimizes wash cycles for power efficiency. Enhance your home with an ergonomic design that lasts longer, featuring a slanted easy-to-use control panel. Onida, where smart features and elegant design come together. Elevate your laundry experience today.